Yeah, they are. Oh my goodness, they are huge.
Hey, Mimi, look how bright they are.
Hi, dear.
Hi.
You smiling more, huh? Hi, dear.
When I saw in it, we pulled the rope and then
Here's some cheeses. You want to eat lunch too, little man? You want to eat lunch too? This is my afternoon in life with a newborn. I've been wanting to do this video, and he's 4 weeks old now. He turned 4 weeks yesterday, so he's almost a month old. So just follow along with us for this afternoon with a newborn. Pepperoni eye. Our life today.
I did.
Leave it alone.
Oh.
Give him some space. Hey, big brother. You got Allie on your head. Huge pie. He's looking at you. Brother looking at you? Do you love him?
Yes.
So it's like 1:30. The baby's been laying down for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go grab him. He's already crying. We got a puzzle over here with Mr. Ezra. And my oldest is putting up dishes for his contribution right now. And the house is still a mess. Hey, mister. Hey, mister. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, you're making your milk face. You want milk? I feel like one of the hardest things about like having a newborn is I forget to eat and drink. And then whenever I do, I'm so hungry or thirsty, it's like I'll take whatever like there is. So I love having a newborn. I feel like they're easier than, you know, older kids, but I think it's just because I have had, you know, some experience with newborns. Obviously this is my fourth one. As for just like cleaning the house and stuff like that, it's like the house already gets really dirty as it is, like with a bunch of kiddos, and it's still summertime, like we haven't started our school year yet. You know, it's just I get backed up on laundry, and so I have like, you know, a total of like 3 loads to fold and put away, and I still need to do more. And you know, I don't know, yeah, But for the most part, little man should be taking a nap pretty soon, and yeah, I'm gonna be able to get a lot done.
We're always making cool games and stuff like that. What?
All right, so since little man is like just wanting to be held and have things to do, I'm gonna throw him in my Solly baby wrap and show you guys how I do it and throw him in it, and he's ready to be like in the wrap. He loves it. Okay, so you find this part first, right here, and then you fold it in half. I'm gonna do it kind of fast so I can get him in there. And just put it around you like this. And then as it's folded, just bring one side over your shoulder. Super long. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other side, so it's still folded. So basically, it's folded like this over your shoulders. And then from there, hey Ez. Then from there, you take one side. Hey, leave it alone, Ez. Leave it alone. And you put it through here. Hey, buddy. Like that. And then you take the other side and you put it through like that. And then you just wrap it around. So I usually do this side so it can hang because I like the way that it looks hanging. And then once you're all set up, grab baby and put him in. So take baby and put him in like this. So his legs are inside there, and I'm just gonna slowly kind of move him down. Find the opening here and wrap it around him. Okay, and then I'm going to take the other side, the opening, and wrap it around him, around his little booty. You sit down. Sit down the right way. I kind of have to let him settle in there a little bit better. Like this. Okay. You showing your cookie, Ez? Come back this way, Ezra, and you can show your cookie over here. Come here. Right here. Here, right here. Now stick it up there. Woo, it's a cookie. Okay. Now, once you do that, you've got to do the extra part over here. So find your first, where you started up from the beginning, and find the tag. Put it over baby's feet, find the tag. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Okay. And then you're going to pull it. You're going to pull it out. I'm sorry. So you want to be close enough to kiss. And you want to make sure that their legs are kind of froggied in there like that. And I don't put his feet inside of this top cover part here. I just leave them out because I feel like he's big enough now to where they don't need to be put in there. I feel like I did this one really tight, but sometimes it's nice that it's tight. He did this the other day and he just wanted to be his whole head just out like that. He's like practicing his head control. But it seems uncomfortable to me.